Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So here's our short-term trading plan. It's working nice by far. As you can see, the pullback has started yesterday and actually market already has tested the intraday confidence support that we have discussed. So the first entry point is done relatively well. It's just because market has shown nice bounce up. But at the same time, overall performance looks so that we could get a bit deeper retracement, so in kind of the ABCD. At least we should be prepared to it. And if you have bought euro currency yesterday, the confidence currently, it makes sense to move the stops at least at the break even. Maybe even booked some result. So I usually do this because our task on the markets, I tell this every time, not to trying to catch the big swings, but to make the money. So and if you have got nice entry and the minimum target the market shows, fix the half of the result and keep the rest of your position for the better performance. But in this case, at least you every time you will generate the positive cash flow on your account. So yesterday actually was important data has been released, but not many traders have paid attention to it. I'm talking about the JOLTS vacancies amount. So if we'll take a look that the amount of vacancies in the United States has dropped for the million. Unemployment stands low, payrolls was good, at least until current moment. And it seems that market is a bit overextended, it's a bit too hot currently. But this is a really warning sign that a number of vacancies start to contract. And they has dropped for the million compared to the previous months. So it means that companies start hiring less people. And that might be the first sign that employment market in the United States starts stealing. So that's the one moment that I would like to attract your attention. So currently markets across the board are aiming on payrolls report. So we should get tomorrow, so we will see what will happen. So that's why today probably overall performance will be not very active. This market will be just waiting for the numbers. So on the daily chart, you could see that our extension is a pullback that we have discussed. On the 4 time frame chart, trend has turned bearish. Market is showing downward pullback right from the XOP target that has been met. And on the hourly chart, that's our first confidence support that we said, well, we think that this is first area that we could consider as a target of the pullback, which is because market overextended, we ignore first support area that was right there. Indeed, you can see that market, once it has tested it, now it shows the bounce. So if you have taken the position, move stops to the break even, maybe take the half of the profit on your position, and then see what will happen next. So with this performance to the upside, it seems that we indeed could get this downside ABCD, not the straightforward upward continuation, but first two-leg downside retracement and then probably upward continuation based on the setup that we have on daily and weekly chart. If this will happen, so first of all, take a look at the first target. The COP stands precisely at the same confidence, but it already has been tested. OP is around 97.60, perfectly agrees with the 50% support area on the euro currency. I do not have the fib level, it's marking right there, but it stands right in between of the 618 and 38 levels. So, and this is favorite level for euro currencies, you know, the 50% level euro currency likes most of all. That's why if downside action will start, so that's one of the areas that we could keep an eye on. Besides, this will give us kind of the Gartler's triple 2 buy pattern as well. But probably, well, I don't know, maybe this action will be triggered by the payrolls numbers. So by far, since our setup is done, we could keep our long position that we have here. Just think about the booking result or not booking, but moving stops to the break even. And just see what will happen next.